environment enjalo namhlanje singajajani but we accept
Actually, because I'm a psychologist originally from East London, I have been living here.
It's kids that I don't, but because of circumstances,
it's time. I'm fast.
If you do a funa, uzayifumana. The only thing.
So, imeko sikuzo sonke sinemeko zethu. Yilanto kubalekilwa ungakhawulezi ngomjaja omnye umuntu. Ungakhange uyazi imeko akuyo. You know, imeko sikuyo thina bafazi, it needs unity. Ifuna mama bamanyane. I-unity ayiveliwe esibhakabhakeni lento zakuthi. I-unity yenziwa. We create unity through imizamo emininzi.
One of the things that I continue to say, akhonto yahambisha umama njenge-HIV status sam, because it has literally reprogrammed her into understanding that sometimes it's not even the things that I did, but ubomi buyenzeka. Now when I did not groom a transgender woman or whatever the case may be, not understanding that 10 years later you're going to be in the same situation. Whether you ask for it or not, with your own child. All of a sudden it changes. So be very, very mindful of the conversations that you have in the household about various topics, because sinimame, especially about the animame.
As we practice from a place of the external locus of control. What that means is, and you fumena ngalamsebenzi because you know ndiyataka to next job. And you fumena ngalamsebenzi because ndiyamonela. My role as a therapist is to strengthen what we call internal locus of control. Why empower you to learn to take responsibility for your actions. Answering what is my role? Did I play taking place? I'm saying my parents are expecting black tax from me. What role am I playing in being an enabler or black tax? Finding yourself having to take loans for umzali because there's an element of satisfier and I just oblivious because of what I do and not know that Tina is a wandobamnyama. We know that we owe our parents a lot, but in owing our parents a lot, there's a line that you must not cross. The minute uphuma imali esibhajini sakho to give to your parent kungabikho mnandi, that is not love.
How can you assist us to advise us as women ukuthi singayifumana njani balance relationships such that we don't come across too strongly, but also on the other hand singashiyi izinto unresolved, because unfortunately we can't run away from the fact that abayeni bethu, our partners, ngabantu abakhuliswe athi nomuntu amele ikweko uthiwe bothatha intombazana ufeke bafanele nomlomo ezenzanga ngokukhula into yomlila okanye oze expressa is sign of weakness. ingathi ngoku naxa izaba vulnerable kuwe as a woman ingathi ngoku weak, so aphele ngafuni abhudi idonga elikusokolisayo wena as a woman, aphele ngoku eba-frustrated nguwe because uthetha too much, aphele ufuna indawo apho kuzaba mnandi khona.
She told us the whole story. She was like, you know what's happening is that I told my mother first. My mother said, anyone more she will check along with me. That's the first that she said. And she told the family, the whole household. And one time when it happened, one time, we were meeting alarm because the father was doing the same thing over and over to her. So my question is that is it that mothers you don't trust yourself and you're not independent, that you can stand for yourself and you can stay with the same person who's hurting your child, because now she's not living with her parents and the same mother is still with the husband? Why are you doing that, mothers? That's the question.
Not so long ago, I asked myself, what are we doing about boys? Because for me, dignity yomntana likhwapha. If umfana unuka ikhwapha, how do you gain confidence? There are abantwana who don't even know toothbrush. If us are by sharing, but community might be a different story about how is it possible as funny man. But if you go to abatsala nzima, who are making sure abantwana bathatha distance and don't be following. Now, what we need to do is to try and ask ourselves, how do we shape the country of our
Advertising, film, photography.